Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can reschedule the video publishing on your YouTube channel using the YouTube Studio application on mobile. So let us guide you through the step by step. So let me launch YouTube Studio on my Android phone. And after that, guys, make sure that you're logged into your YouTube account or channel and tap into content here at the bottom. Tap into view all here in the video section to gain access to your video library. Now guys, as you can see, there are a couple of videos that haven't been published here at the top, which means they are scheduled. So let me go with the second one here from that list and show you how you can reschedule the publishing. Of course, you can only do this as long as the video hasn't been published. So the visibility is set to scheduled, as you can see. So what you want to do, guys, is tap into that pencil icon here at the top. Wait for a brief moment. And simply tap into the visibility here next. And you will see the scheduled date, which is December 16, 2025, 11 p.m. local time. So to reschedule, simply tap into that drop-down menu or into that arrow down icon and select a new day. Like, let me go with December 17, tap into OK. And after that, select also or adjust the time of the day. So if you're using the 24-hour format, guys, you may go, for example, like we do here in Europe, 8 p.m. would be, for example, 20. And you can also set the minutes, 8 p.m., 15 minutes, and tap into OK here. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.